Refined, elegant, sophisticated. And they pack a heck of a punch. This is a classic Negroni. Hi, I'm Claire Tansey, the author of Dinner Uncomplicated and the creator of Kitchen Uncomplicated, the club that's part cocktail party, part cooking class with the vibe of a chill backyard barbecue. The basic Negroni is a strong cocktail that's got a really intense perfume, but it's really known for its bitterness. And that bitterness has a function to stimulate your appetite. That's why a Negroni is such a popular aperitif or aperativo. You have it, you feel hungry, and you go on and have a great dinner. Here's how to make a perfect classic Negroni. You need 1.5 ounces of gin, 3/4 ounce of Campari, and 3/4 ounce of sweet red vermouth. The garnish is an orange. It starts with 1.5 ounces of gin. And I'm gonna pour it right over the ice in the glass. I'm going to make the cocktail in the glass. Next, 3/4 ounce of Campari. And 3/4 ounce of sweet red vermouth. Gentle stir. Garnish with an orange wheel. And that is a perfect classic Negroni. Balanced and beautiful, and it'll stimulate your appetite. This is the perfect Negroni. Balanced, beautiful, and it'll make you hungry. And if you like this, make sure you check out my 2 amazing variations on the Negroni, the Boulevardier and the Spagliato. And if you like this and you want to up your general cocktail game, then make sure you sign up for my Cocktails Masterclass. We learn lots of the key classics, as well as some swim-up bar favorites, and even some ladies' night specials. We will also learn the 3 basic principles that form the foundation of every cocktail out there in the world, and we'll talk about how to adapt to make mocktails instead. Plus, we will talk about the essential gear that you need to make a really nice variety of cocktails. And we'll dig into the history of how cocktails really came to be and what's behind the recent renaissance of the cocktail. And I will share how to make my famous sweet and spicy kettle corn. It is my all-time favorite cocktail snack because it's easy, it's fast, everybody loves it, and it pairs with any single cocktail you can think of. I hope to see you there. And while you're at it, make sure to subscribe because I'm doing a whole series of classic, authentic cocktails and you don't want to miss one. Remember, life is complicated. Cocktails don't have to be. Happy drinking.